we go.
Oh, I love them.
You love them. It's alright, she looks good. Time to get the cows in. Come on, girls. And this here is all new since last time I were here. Hi everyone, it's Jack here at Mainsgill. So first of all, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tell everyone about it, ring the little bell, you know the full works. So I hope you all had a good Christmas. So it's a lot of fuss for what it is, isn't it? It's been and gone now. So here I am, it's Boxing Day, and I've come through to Grandma's. So we're here at Grandma's and Uncle Kev's, which is a dairy farm. So we're back over in Lancashire. So this is Blackpool. And we're getting the cows into milk. So we'll go and have a look at his new parlour now. So you can see it's still a work in progress. Bits to do. But they wanted to be in it for Christmas milking, and they are. So they started in here last week. And here is Uncle Kev's new parlour. Looking smart. And as you can see, the cows are wanting to be in. So they get fed the proving now when they come in. So they used to a long time ago, but it all went done, the system. So put all new feeders in, so they all get fed in the parlour again, as they should do. So it gets them keen to come in and just gives them that bit extra food to boost them on. So it's good. So we're going to get them all in now, get them out of the buildings ready, and we're going to start putting them through. So I'll show you what's going on. There they go up that side. The units are up. Nice and shiny. So it's all in now. 2020, 10 units down each side. There you go. Come on, girls. There you go, so you can hear that there, that noise, that rumbling in the background. That's because once them cows have come in, it starts to give them the proving. And also, you've gone for ear tags, have you, Kev? Electronic ear tags. Electronic ear tags, all the gear. So here you can see that 1684, so that cow there is 1684. So it tells him how that cow does, what she produces, and what proving it should get. And we'll have a do at milking. Feels good. Here we go, we're letting the cows out. Some more cows for the parlour. Come on, ladies. Bit darker in here, it's gone dark now. Come on, girls. Good. Go on, Matthew. Gee 'em up. Come on. We like dairy cows, nice and quiet. Change from limmies that are trying to kill us, isn't it, Matthew?
Not like ours.
Go on, girls. There we go. Rock and roll. Let's go and see how we're getting on in the parlour. He's in the cattle shed. So we'll just spray them off. You spray them before you wipe them, so when they come in, they get the food, you spray the teats, put this orange on them, there you go, so it's like, kind of like an iodine mix. So you put that onto them, then you can wipe them off, and then milk them, and then when they go out, so yellows for in, and blues for out, they get the blue spray on the way out. It's good. There we go, just press the button, so the gate is shut, and the back gate is open. Here they come. Matthew's on bedding up. Old 390 two-wheel drive. What a beast. Mum likes these. Mum used to go rapping on these when she was younger. She used to have a four-wheel drive one though. We're getting there now. Getting through them all. That's all that's left. And it is currently about 5:15. So rather than taking him 4 hours at the end of the day, it's took us about an hour and a half.
Playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, you're forced to lose. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass.
Well, that's it. Milking's finished. All cleaned down and switched off. Good, good. Bit of look at something different for you. Dairy farming. Grandma's and Uncle Kev's. Good, good. So is this the one you wanted to show me, Kev? What's she called? Are you getting a name for her?
Oh, yes, she's got a name.
What's her name? Can't remember. This is Kev's jersey. Go over there, go in the light. Are you getting into your jerseys, Kev?
Oh, I love them.
You love them. It's alright, she looks good. She's a nice meaty jersey, isn't she? She's a strong effort.
Carving in her 10 days.
10 days, right. You have to make sure you take a video for me.
I will.
There she is. Good, good.